Pre-terminated fiber optic node cable assemblies are the preferred method for connecting optical nodes to the optical distribution network in hybrid fiber coaxial systems. NodeFLEX cable assemblies from AFL utilize an innovative bendable boot, allowing a single cable to be used for either a straight or 90-degree configuration. The body of the NodeFLEX cable is manufactured with the SCTE standard 5/8" 24 male thread for connection into an optical node. The unibody design allows for installation of the fitting body into a node without twisting the cable. When fully engaged, the O-ring seals provide IP68 ingress protection in up to 3 meters of water. The boot portion of the fitting assembly is designed to be bent up to 90 degrees and control the bend radius of the cables as to not induce attenuation during operation. The bend is held in place by 2 stainless steel wires embedded inside the boot. Since the entry angle of the NodeFLEX cable assembly can be adjusted in the field as needed, warehouses and technicians only need to carry one type of cable to address all installation scenarios. The NodeFLEX cable assembly is available with up to 24 fibers, with various furcation and connector options available. The outside plant fiber cable is available in both armored and dielectric varieties, with up to 24 fibers and a central loose tube construction. Contact AFL today to learn more about how the NodeFLEX cable assembly can benefit you and your hybrid fiber coaxial systems.